I hope you are having a fantastic day. So I just got off a phone call with my business partner who was at an event this last weekend. Someone reached out to us about a month ago, and they had this event coming up. They were interested in driving traffic, and they needed someone with some knowledge around how to drive traffic to an event to come in and help them. So they hired us, and it's been a crazy ride. But it has been fantastic to see how effective this process that we train people to go through is. So these folks hired us 25 days ago. Their event was this last weekend. They'd never sold anything at the event. They'd always driven people to sales calls. And so on the sales call, then they would go in and sell them. So we got in, started working with them, redid how they were organizing their event, redid what was going to happen at the event and the pitch. Talking to my partner, they closed over $600,000. $600,000 at this event because live events change lives. They had a room full of both prospects and clients. They provided a ton of value. And then if someone wanted more help going to the next level, they gave them an opportunity to do that. So that sounds like a ton. How many people did you have to sell to do that? Well, this particular client had a room of there was 170-ish people, but only about 110 companies. And of the 110, they closed 20. Closed more than $600,000 in business from this single event. So that when I say live events change lives, I am not joking. When I say live events should be extremely profitable, I am not joking. There is a way to do it that lets you impact millions of people's lives and gives them an opportunity to say, yes, I want more help. So I want you to think about how a live event might fit into your business, because chances are it will. Live events change lives. The best way to get someone to take action and change, you gotta get them to a live event. You've got to give them the energy, give them the emotions, put them in a room with other like-minded individuals working towards the same goal. And they will take action. They will implement. But give them an extra hand. Give them a way to buy more, to get more help, because that's good for you as a business. It's good for them too. I wish I could get into all the details, but every single person that this company has worked with has doubled or tripled their investment in a year. So I'm telling you, live events change lives. If you want to get out there and help people, put on a live event. Build a live event that's going to motivate them, empower them, give them the tools to take action. And most people will, to some extent. I mean, they won't do everything you say, but most people will make changes because of the energy, because of the experience. So we're doing this virtual event. It's next month. The virtual event is designed to show you exactly what we did with this company, how we used this company, this case study, in order to create a wildly profitable event. So click the link below, and we'd love to see you on the virtual event coming up just this next month. Live Events Launchpad is gonna be a ton of fun. So we'll talk to y'all soon.